Welcome to Oak Lodge. This stunning architecturally designed home is coming to the market. Can be a family or commercially run bed and breakfast property. I'm really looking forward to showing you around. There's a very large kitchen dining family room. The dining room could easily be a living room. 4 or 5 bedrooms inside, give you ample choice from a family point of view. You could still utilise bedroom 6, the annex to the front, as a separate Airbnb if you wanted the income. And the nice thing with having kids, you can easily walk to the primary school in the village, and there's a pedestrian access down to the village which has a 7 days opening general stores, medical centre, minor injury hospital and a range of small businesses. One of the great facets of this property is the flexibility in terms of its use. Currently run as a successful bed and breakfast. You can see here the dining room is lovely, well set out with access to the deck and the views of the church beyond. As you come down the steps, there's a lovely little snug which has beautiful views, showcase the village in behind and overlook the garden, with separate owners' accommodation as well. I really hope you've enjoyed our video of this beautiful property. I can't state how important it is to have a village location with amenities, a modern house with flexibility, and these gorgeous village views beyond me. Please do give us a call if you're interested in viewing. 01288 353 661. Thank you.